The fun starts as soon as they walk through the door. Young patients made to feel at home while their parents are comforted by the sounds of laughter. As CTV's Stefan Keys reports, CHEO's medical day unit is a place where everyone knows your name.
You really got to watch this kid.
If Clown Molly Penny is a household name at CHEO,
What did I get?
1, 2, 3, 4.
then the medical day unit is a home. Just one of the wings in the hospital that doesn't make it feel like a hospital at all.
You know, it starts right there, right at the front.
You get one.
That's it.
As soon as Aiden walks through the door,
What way do you want?
it's time to keep him entertained as he waits for his appointment.
Let's put some gloves on.
Meanwhile, Morale is engaging in what they call medical play,
All right.
a chance for her to be the professional
Let's do the needle first.
and with guidance perform procedures on a doll.
1, 2, 3. Big breath.
It means when it's her turn to have visits like the one Isaac is having right now, pokes and prods won't be as scary.
The kids are coming in here, they're under stress because they're getting chemo and lots of needles and things like that.
The unit is busy,
The monkey bandage.
Monkey?
Yeah.
but the best part is this style of treatment means even the tiniest of patients get to go home. Outpatient care is what the medical day unit is all about. And there's a lot of work happening behind the scenes to encourage community generosity to pick up where government funding leaves off.
Going through cancer therapy is really unique, and so we were able with donor dollars to hire a clinical psychologist that is just for the hematology oncology patients.
See, you landed on a red spot.
Knowing that the fight for a healthy body can be tough on the mind,
There.
though with the smiles seen here, it's tough to tell. Stefan Keys, CTV News.
Your continued support makes a difference in the lives of the children at CHEO. Please visit CHEOFoundation.com and donate today.